We want to draw a diagram to represent the region defined by the inequalities x is greater than or equal to -2 and less than 3. Y is greater than -2. Leave the required region unshaded. Looking at the x, we're going to need to draw the line x equals -2, and it's going to need to be a solid line. We're going to need to draw the line x equals 3, and it is going to need to be dashed. For the y, we need to draw y equals -2, and it also will need to be dashed. So let's draw the line x equals -2. It's a vertical line through -2. We should always label lines that we draw. Now consider x equals 3. It's a vertical line through 3, and we draw it dashed. Y equals -2 is a horizontal line through -2. Once again, label our lines. Now consider the inequalities. We need to be between the two x-lines. This is greater than -2, so above this line. Therefore, it's this region here that we want. We want to leave the required region unshaded, so once we've decided upon the required region, we can shade around the outside. So let's shade everything else.